Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. So in this video, we'll be solving the question 11 of the 2017 Core Math theory questions. So I take the question. The distribution of marks scored by some students in a test is as follows. So we have the marks being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the number of students being P plus 2, P minus 1, 2P minus 3, P plus 4, and 3P plus 4. A. If the mean mark is 3 whole number, 5 over 22, find the value of P. So let's move to the solution of the question. So 11A, the mean is equal to 3 whole number, 5 over 22. And we know that mean, which is x bar, is equal to the sum of fx over the sum of f. So let's complete our table. So for fx, we have p plus 2. We have 2p minus 2. We have 6p minus 9. We have 4p plus 16. And you have 15p minus 20. So we can say that the sum of f will be equal to p plus 2p plus 4p plus 3p will be 8p, and 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 will be minus 2. For the sum of fx, we have p plus 2p plus 6p plus 4p plus 15p. And this will give us 28p. Then we have 2 minus 9 plus 16 minus 20. And that will be minus 13. And we know that our mean is equal to the sum of fx over the sum of f. And this is equal to the sum of fx is 28p minus 13 all over the sum of f is 8p minus 2. But we know that our mean is equal to 3 whole number, 5 over 22. And so our 28p minus 13 all over 8p minus 2 would be equal to 3 whole number, 5 over 22. Now this can be written as 28p minus 13 all over 8p minus 2 is equal to 71 over 22. Now when we cross multiply such that 22 multiplies 28p minus 13 and 71 multiplies 8p minus 2, you have 22 multiplying 28p minus 13 is equal to 71 multiplying 8p minus 2. This gives us 616p minus 286 is equal to 568p minus 142. Now when we group like terms, we have 616p minus 568p is equal to negative 142 plus 286. Now this gives us 48p is equal to 144. Now to find the value of p, we divide both sides by the coefficient of p. And in this case, the coefficient of p is 48. So we divide here by 48, here by 48. So our p will be equal to 3. So let's draw our table again. We have our x and our f. Our f, which is p plus 2, becomes 3 plus 2 since p is 3. So this gives us 5, and this gives us 2, this gives us 3, this gives us 7, and this gives us 5. Now the sum of f would be 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. And that will be 22. So that brings us to the end of question 11A. So 11B, find the I interquartile range. So we know that our interquartile range will be equal to the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. And the upper quartile is equal to 3 over 4 times the sum of f. So this will be 3 over 4 times 22. And this will be equal to 16.5. So our upper quartile will be the 16.5th item. And from our table, the 16.5th observation or item is 4. And so our upper quartile is 4. Now our lower quartile is equal to 1 over 4 times our sum of f. And this is equal to 1 over 4 times 22. And this gives us 5.5. So our lower quartile will be the 5.5th item. And from our table, the 5.5th item is 2. So our lower quartile is 2. Now our range will be U minus L. So R will be equal to 4 minus 2. So we can say that our interquartile range will be equal to 2. So that brings us to the end of question 11BI. Moving on to 11BII. It says, find the probability of selecting a student who scored at least, so emphasis on at least 4 marks in the test. So this means you are finding the probability of students who scored 4 or more. So this is the number of students who scored more than 4. So P of selecting students who scored So the probability of selecting a student who scored more than 4 will be equal to 7 plus 5, all over the total number of students, which is 22. And this gives us 12 over 22, which is equal to 0.542. So this brings us to the end of question 11. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. And please, if you have questions, please leave them in the comment section as well. Thank you, and see you again.